Meteorology is the study of weather. Meteorologist is a scientist studying Earth's atmosphere, forecasting weather and climate. So what is weather? Weather can be defined as the conditions of the atmosphere of a particular place with regards to temperature, rain, wind conditions, and humidity. There are 8 various weather conditions. First is the sunny day. Sunny day is characterized by warm to hot temperature conditions. Second is cloudy day. It is when the sky and the sun is covered with clouds. Rainy day are the days when the sky is covered in dark clouds and rain pours down the earth. Snowy day is when snow falls down from the cloud instead of rainwater. Windy day, fast winds blow on this type of day. Foggy day is when the clouds come down too close to the land. Hailstorm is when the rainwater freezes to ice and falls down as hail. Last is thunderstorm is when the clouds produce thunder and lightning. What causes weather? Temperature, atmospheric pressure, clouds, wind, humidity, and last is the rain. A weather forecast is simply a scientific estimate of future weather conditions. There are steps in weather forecasting. First is the observation. Second is the data collection and transmission. Third is the plotting. Fourth is the analysis. And last is the formulation of weather. What is weather disturbances? It is the changes in atmospheric conditions that disrupt weather patterns. There are types of weather disturbances. First is the typhoon. It is the rotating low-pressure systems with strong winds and heavy rain. Second is the low-pressure area. It is the areas of low atmospheric pressure that can generate cloudiness and rain. Third is the thunderstorm. It is the localized storms featuring thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. Fourth is the monsoon. It is the large-scale wind systems that bring distinct wet and dry seasons. And last is the tornado. It is the columns of air that rotates to the ground. Weather disturbances affecting the Philippines. We have typhoon, low-pressure area, thunderstorm, and last is the monsoon. Now let's discuss climate. Climate refers to the long-term patterns of atmospheric variables. There are 5 general types of climate. Tropical, it is characterized by high temperatures and significant rainfall throughout the year. Subtropical features warm temperatures and distinct wet and dry seasons. Temperate experiences moderate temperatures with 4 distinct seasons. Polar, it is characterized by extremely cold temperatures year-round. Highland, climate varies with elevation, generally cooler and wetter than surrounding areas. First factors that affects climate is wind. It affects climate by carrying warm or cool air to areas. Clouds, it affects climate by blocking some of the heat received from the sun during the day. Human activity. When people burn fuels such as oil and coal to run cars and heat homes, the fuels release certain gases into the air. First that influences climate is the latitude. Second is the altitude. Third is the terrain. Fourth is the large water bodies. Fifth is the land use. A Philippine climate has high temperature, high humidity, abundant rainfall, and 2 main seasons, which is dry and wet seasons. There are types of tropical climates in the Philippines. There are tropical rainforest, tropical monsoon, and tropical savanna.